What's up, Electro Drive News fam? Get ready, because the future is arriving at warp speed. First up, Xpeng is making huge waves in Hong Kong, signaling a massive leap forward for autonomous driving in the region. We're talking about policy changes and Xpeng ready to lead the charge. But hold up, not everyone's welcome in our digital space. We've got a stern message for automated systems trying to scrape our content. News Group Newspapers is laying down the law to protect their valuable information, and we've got the details on who's being warned off. Then, buckle up for some dramatic footage out of China. During a rehearsal for the Changchun Air Show, two Xpeng Aeroht electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, or eVTOLs, collided midair. We'll break down what happened and what it means for the future of flying taxis. And finally, as the EU slaps new tariffs on Chinese EVs, Xpeng is making a bold strategic play, partnering with Magna for European production. We're diving deep into how this collaboration could redefine the electric vehicle market on the continent. Stick around and make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell on. Xpeng eyes Hong Kong as autonomous driving hub. Hong Kong is revving its engines for the autonomous driving revolution, and Xpeng is poised to take the driver's seat. In a major announcement today, Xpeng enthusiastically welcomed Hong Kong chief executive's policy initiatives aimed at accelerating the development and commercialization of self-driving technology. Xpeng's chairman and CEO, Xpeng, expressed the company's eagerness to collaborate with the Hong Kong SAR government, leveraging their cutting-edge technology and extensive experience. They specifically highlighted the potential to use Hong Kong as a platform to explore overseas markets, particularly right-hand drive territories, fostering sustainable development for the region. Xpeng emphasized Hong Kong's vision as an international innovation hub and Xpeng's commitment to contributing to a world-leading smart transportation system. The company plans to actively participate in Hong Kong's autonomous driving testing and application processes, aiming to build a smarter, safer, and greener urban transportation ecosystem. This move signals a significant step towards the widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles, potentially transforming the taxi industry through incremental technological upgrades and market expansions. Xpeng's proactive engagement demonstrates their leadership ambition in this rapidly evolving sector. Will this strategic partnership redefine the future of urban mobility? Don't go anywhere, because we're about to reveal how a major automotive player is navigating the new European tariff landscape. Digital gatekeepers, News Group Newspapers issue strong warning. Attention all digital explorers and data enthusiasts. News Group Newspapers Limited has issued a clear and firm directive against unauthorized automated access, collection, and data mining of their content. Their system has flagged potentially automated user behavior, reminding everyone that such activities are strictly prohibited according to their terms and conditions. This policy is in place to protect their valuable intellectual property, including content used for AI and machine learning initiatives. For those interested in commercial use of their materials, News Group Newspapers directs them to contact Crawl Permission at News Co. UK. They acknowledge that their system may occasionally misinterpret legitimate human behavior, and in such cases, genuine users are encouraged to reach out to their customer support team at help@Thesun Co. UK. This robust stance underscores the increasing importance of content protection in the digital age, and sets a precedent for how media organizations are safeguarding their assets. But what happens when advanced technology takes an unexpected turn mid-flight? Get ready for a dramatic story coming up next. Xpeng Aeroht eVTOLs in mid-air collision during air show rehearsal. Drama unfolded during a rehearsal for the Changchun Air Show in China when two Xpeng Aeroht electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft experienced a mid-air collision. Reports indicate at least one person sustained injuries, though thankfully none are life-threatening. The incident occurred during a formation flight, raising immediate questions about the safety protocols for these advanced aerial vehicles. Xpeng Aeroht, a subsidiary of the well-known EV maker Xpeng, is a key player in the burgeoning e-flight taxi market. They are developing innovative modular flying vehicles like the land aircraft carrier, designed to transport eVTOLs and recharge them between flights. While the specific models involved in the crash are still unclear, Xpeng attributed the incident to insufficient spacing between aircraft during formation flight. This event casts a shadow over Aeroht's ambitious plans, including series production and deliveries of the land aircraft carrier, slated for 2026, following a recent $100 million funding round. Despite this setback, the company's push towards an IPO, evidenced by the appointment of a former Deutsche Bank banker, suggests continued confidence in their eVTOL technology. As aerial ambitions face turbulence, another Xpeng venture is charting a course through new economic challenges. We're heading to Europe next. Xpeng partners with Magna for European production amidst EU tariffs. In a significant strategic maneuver, Xpeng is teaming up with automotive giant Magna to establish European production facilities. This collaboration comes at a critical juncture, as the European Union imposes substantial anti-subsidy tariffs on Chinese-made battery electric vehicles. By producing vehicles within the EU through Magna's established network, Xpeng aims to circumvent these new trade barriers and strengthen its presence on the continent. This move signifies a proactive approach to navigating complex international trade regulations and demonstrates Xpeng's commitment to the European market. The partnership with Magna, a renowned automotive supplier and contract manufacturer, provides Xpeng with access to local manufacturing expertise and infrastructure, potentially accelerating their expansion and competitiveness in Europe. This cross-border cooperation could reshape the automotive landscape, offering a blueprint for other manufacturers facing similar geopolitical and economic challenges. And that's just a glimpse of the electrifying news shaping the EV world. Stay tuned for our rapid-fire recap, and don't forget to subscribe. And that's a wrap on today's electrifying updates. We saw Xpeng making big moves in Hong Kong for autonomous driving, news group newspapers laying down the law on data scraping, Xpeng Aeroht's eVTOLs facing a mid-air incident, and Xpeng strategically partnering with Magna for European production. If you loved this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge EV news, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a beat. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and follow us on all social platforms to stay connected with the future of electric mobility.